Protein matters, fiber matters, especially in health span and healthy aging. So why not get them both in the same place, especially if you're eating a plant-centric diet? Here are my top favorite foods that are high in both protein and fiber. Chickpeas and all the beans. Here are green chickpeas, actually, edamame, all the beans, any kind of bean that you love. Lentils, amazing. So many minerals, fiber, protein, they're delicious too. Quinoa is a wonderful whole grain that actually is great to swap out from rice so that you can get extra protein and fiber in there. Nuts and seeds, get those 1 to 2 ounces of nuts and seeds every day for all the cardiometabolic and weight management benefits. Tofu, tempeh, soy foods that are high in protein and high in fiber and very versatile in the kitchen as well. What are your favorites? Share below.